good morning, good morning. How you all doing? Today I'm doing the street food tour in Danang, and with me today we have Katie. Katie, good morning to you.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Which place have you brought us to today at this restaurant here?
Today we are at the Mua shop. This shop is famous for beef noodle soup.
Beef noodle soup.
Yeah. So Mua is an old lady who maintained the tradition of making the beef noodle soup for around 80 years old.
80 years old.
Unfortunately, now she had passed away, but now her relatives help her to maintain the tradition.
That's fantastic.
So this shop has been here for around 5 years already.
5 years.
She have the basket with the pole on her shoulders, and she's carrying around beef noodle soup and serve for people.
Wow.
Now they have this shop here, and they just sell it out here and sell it here.
It's awesome. Yeah. Okay, what dish have we got here, by the way? What's the name of this?
Beef noodle soup.
What's the ingredients inside this dish? I can see we've got the noodle and
Yeah, that's one is meatball.
the meatball. And what's this one here?
Pork blood.
Pork blood. So now we're going to give this a taste, see what it tastes like. It's my first ever time trying this dish here. Really, really nice. Very tasty. And this is from your village, isn't it? Right? Yeah, really, really nice. I like it. It's very, very nice. Okay, what cake have you bought here? What's this here?
So this one is a special cake in Vietnam. This one is called husband and wife cakes.
Husband and wife cake?
Husband and wife cakes.
Interesting.
So in Vietnam, it's a custom that if the boy want to get married with a girl, he needs to bring 100 of this cake to the girl's family to ask for America.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Now look at what we have inside.
Wow.
You know what inside?
Now, what is that?
Here, this cake is made from tapioca. Tapioca with coconut and mung bean or green bean inside. So it's sweet. It's like a dessert or snack. And I like this cake very much.
How much does it cost to buy one of these on the street?
Oh, well, this morning it cost me $3,000 for one cake. Yeah, $3,000. So I get a bunch of 5 cakes, 5 husband and wife cakes, and 5 little cake for $13,000.
Wow, that's pretty good. Because I've never seen this sort of cake like this before. The husband and wife cake.
Mung bean inside. Mung bean, some carrot, and coconut.
Wow, it's amazing. How does it taste, Kate?
It's soft, sweet, but not too sweet.
That's good.
I like it.
Has it got a nice texture to it?
Texture is soft, not chewy.
Yeah, not chewy.
Compared to some other husband and wife cake, it's a little bit chewy.
Oh.
There's some other husband and wife cake a little bit chewy, but this one not too chewy, very soft.
So this husband and wife cake, is this common at Vietnamese weddings then in Vietnam?
Yeah, it's appear in every wedding.
Every wedding in Vietnam.
100.
Right, now I'm going to try this husband and wife cake. This is something I've never ever had before. I've never heard of a cake named a husband and wife cake. So what you do is you unwrap it around like this here. It's quite sticky, so I'm finding it quite challenging to get out. And then it looks like this here. You see that there? This is what you call the husband and wife cake. And I get that cake with the thumbs up. Really nice, not too sweet, nice and soft. A little bit crunchy, but not too much. And this is famous in Vietnam at all weddings. So now we're going to try another cake. What have you got this time, Kate?
This time we have this one is called a little cake. A little cake with a special color inside. I will open it and you'll see it later. So it is wrapped in the banana leaf. Let's open it. In Vietnamese we call bun it. Bun it. Lá gai.
What does that mean?
Bun it. It means a little. Lá gai is a special leaf that this cake was made from. So you can see the color is black green. Yeah, black green.
Yeah, it's like a dark green, yeah.
That's why in Vietnamese we often call it bun it lá gai đen because it has black color. It's made from sticky rice outside and inside we will have green beans. Like we think about it. You see, bun meat or green bean inside.
Wow.
It's sweet, a little bit chewy because of the sticky rice. And you know the color outside is from a special leaves in Vietnam we call lá gai. So they will crush the leaves. Then they will take the juice and mix with the sticky rice. And then we make this cake.
So is this at Vietnamese wedding as well, or is that just the previous cake then we just had?
This cake is not a special theme for wedding.
Oh, it's not?
But
Right.
it's a special cake to show the gratitude of the girl after they get married. So 3 days after the marriage, the girls will get back home and she will make this cake. Put some on the altars of the family and some she gave it to her parents to show her gratitude because they brought her.
Wow.
Yeah, so this cake is small, but it contains the big love of the daughter, of the parents, after she getting married. So you know, in Vietnam, when the girl gets married with a boy, they need to move to the boy's family to live with their family. That's why 3 days after the wedding, she'll need to come back home and make this cake to show her gratitude to her parents and her ancestors.
Oh wow. It's really interesting to learn all about stuff about the wedding and stuff and how it all works with all this connection with the food here, with these cakes and husband and wife cake and all that. It's absolutely astonishing, isn't it? Kate, where have you brought us now?
So here we are now at the Lady Buddha statue, Linh Ấn Pagoda. This is the biggest pagoda in Danang in terms of scale.
What do you know about this place?
So this is a holy place for Vietnamese people who follow Buddhism to come here to pray and to worship Buddha. So people they often come here on the first day, 14th, 15th and the last day of lunar month to pray for health, good luck, happiness or even transcendence, prosperity. But you can come here whenever you feel guilty or you want to refresh your mind or just simply you come here to admire the beauty of this area. This area they call it Buddha's place or in Vietnamese Bãi Bụt.
Bãi Bụt.
Buddha's place.
Buddha's place.
Yeah.
Okay.
This pagoda was built from 2004 and finished in 2010. 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah, they
wow.
completed a big Lady Buddha statue. In Vietnamese we call Quan Chinese we call Quan Yin, which is 67 meters tall.
So what place is this, Katie?
This one is Bà Mua shop. The name of the lady, the owner, Bà Mua, Madam Mua. So this shop is famous for the mì Quảng noodle, what we have in here. Mì Quảng is a thick rice noodle famous for Da Nang and Quảng Nam area. Mì is mean noodle. Quảng is the abbreviation of Quảng Nam province. So here, the noodle, you have the thick rice noodle, and they have different options. You can have with pork and shrimp, or pork ribs, or with frogs, or with shrimp, or chicken, or beef.
So there's quite a lot of choice, isn't there?
A lot of versions. And this one is different from noodle soup. They just put a little bit of broth inside. And when you eat, you mix with some fresh herbs over here. What we have here is banana flour, young banana flour slice, young banana flour slice. Yeah, and some herbs, fresh herbs, organic.
Oh, organic.
Coriander, lettuce, some mint, maybe mustard. You mix together with the noodle, squeeze some lime in, and mix everything together and enjoy it.
Now we are going to try this amazing food here at this place where Katie is monitor. It's just going to be me trying this food. Katie's so full from this morning for that dish we had, so we're now going to dig in and try this amazing dish here. That is really nice. Once you add the lime here, it really adds the flavour, and when you do have this dish, just be careful of the bone here. But the noodles are absolutely fantastic. Nice
It's pork rib, man.
Pork rib, I beg your pardon, pork rib rather, I'm saying. Vibrant colours, tasty, and you can see in here it's really busy. Popular with the locals, a couple of tourists on the side there next to me. They're enjoying the dish as well.
So here we have another dish. It's called pork and vegetable wrapped in rice paper. Right here we have two different kinds of rice paper. This one is the dry version and this one is the wet version. And here we have pork belly with some herbs, cucumber, young banana, star fruit, the herbs, bean sprout. What we will do to eat this dish is that we take pieces of rice paper here. We stick it on the wet one. We can stick together.
Yep, I see that.
Then you put the herbs in any kind you like. Latex. Yeah. Green banana and cucumber.
Cucumber.
Some bean sprouts. I will have star fruit slice. Corn. Then I wrap it, roll it, make a nice roll. This. After that, what you do is you dip in the fermented fish sauce. Can you see the fish inside?
I can see the fish inside, yeah.
It smells very strong.
So we're now going to dip it into this strong fish sauce. The smell is really strong. So if you've got a sensitive stomach, don't have this. So you dip it in there like that, as you can see. That is really strong. It's not sweet, it's quite strong, and it's a little bit spicy, but it's nice though, it's really nice. Very nutritious, very healthy, but it's strong, so if you've got a sensitive stomach, you might want to give this a miss. Right, I've just come back from my tour with Katie, doing the street food tour, showing you sights of Da Nang, the Lady Buddha. So I just want to say a big massive thank you to Katie, and I want to thank you guys too for watching. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye bye for now.